from Mtech and Master Cutlery. This is item number M-1023BU. It also comes in 3 other models: BK model, WD, and WU. Now, the overall length of this item is about 5 inches. Has a index flipper, and the blade comes out with authority. It's a heavy blade. The blade length is about 3 3/4 inches. As you can see, it's an extra wide drop point with a very full curvature to the belly and the combination edge. It also has that urban camo tiger stripe color scheme, right, and 2 lightning slots. Has a thumb ramp here and a thumb rest here. Liner lock locking mechanism, very solid. And this handle is aluminum with Pakkawood inlays. Has a glass breaker and a belt cutter. And look at that excellent and intimidating blade design. These knives are officially licensed by the U.S. Marine Corps, and you see it as the traditional anchor, globe, and eagle of the Corps on that medallion on the handle. Overall, an excellent, beefy, and functional knife with a great theme from Mtech and Master Cutlery.